I want to tell you that when you looking, also, I got to tell you this too. I'm sorry. I got to tell you this. Y'all know Beyonce, right? I know y'all do. I was so excited to meet Beyonce. I'm backstage. I'm with all of these people. You know what I mean? I'm like, oh, man, I'm backstage. SubhanAllah, man. When I saw her, I was so let down. I promise. The hype. The hype and the excitement. Oh, my goodness, oh, my goodness. To be honest, when I saw her, I was like, wow. That's who? What? It's whack. It really is. I promise y'all, it's not what you think. It's not at all what you think in Hollywood. Everything is so glamorous on the television and the hype behind it. But when the cameras is not rolling, it's really whack. And you be looking like, man, that's so messed up. And I could see the Muslimas with the hijab. I'm not even trying to trick you. I'm not trying to, I promise you, they're more beautiful than the Beyoncés and the Christina Aguileras. Really. Because what you see when the sister has the hijab, she reminds you of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that you can already be modest and check yourself. When you see them, it's fake. Fake hair, it's fake eyes, it's fake eyelashes, it's fake body part. Nothing is real. It's all made up. And inside of us, Shaitan be just using it like, yeah, man, this is the best thing. That's what you want. That's what you want. You really want something that's not real? I mean, really, you think about it, like, why would you just want people to be like, oh, here's this beautiful cake. But it's made out of plastic, but it looked good. I don't want that, man. You know what I mean? There's no benefit in it. It's no benefit in it.